Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be lip swatching the new Charlotte Tilbury Latex Love liquid lipsticks. So I'm so excited about this because I love Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I think they're amazing. I have her Hollywood lips, which are gorgeous. Like I have like the collection, like the whole collection, that which I just love all the shades. I think they're gorgeous. They just have a really lovely formula. So I'm really excited about these ones as well, because these ones here are latex lips. So they're like a gloss, and I love glossies. Like, they are my favourite formula to wear because I just love that high shine and glossy juicy looking lips. So I'm really excited about these. Now of course I think there's about 6 in the collection that she brought out. I'm not too sure, but I will check that out and leave the information below. But I have 4 here. Charlotte Tilbury very kindly sent these over to me, which I'm so happy about, because like I cannot wait to lip swatch these for you guys, because right now I'm loving them. I just love the formula and I love the shades. So yeah, this is what the outer packaging looks like here for them. They look quite similar to the Hollywood lips, however these ones have like a little lip here with a lipstick through it and like a little lightning bolt, which I think is cute. Really like the outer packaging for these, very luxe looking. So I'm going to open each of the shades up so that I can show you the actual packaging for them and also the shades before I lip swatch them. Okay, so this is the shades that I have here, and as you can see there is a mix of shades here. I have some nude shades and I have some red shades. Look how pretty this packaging is. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, there is a little lip at the top here with a lipstick through and a lightning bolt, which is different from the Hollywood lips, so I like that. There is the Charlotte Tilbury logo right here, and overall the packaging just looks gorgeous. It looks very luxurious. I love the kind of rose goldy lid here, and obviously the Charlotte Tilbury logo is like a rose goldy shade, which is really nice. So I'm loving the packaging for these. And one thing I really love about these is the applicator. And the applicator in here is amazing. So let me just open it up and show you them. So that's the applicator right there, so hopefully you can see that. Now this applicator is different from the Hollywood lips, and I actually prefer this one. I just love how it just applies the product so quickly to the lips, and it's very kind of easy and smooth to use. So I really do like the applicator on this more than the Hollywood lips. The Hollywood lip one's nice as well, but like this one's a little bit better anyway. So yeah, I'm loving the applicator here. Now the formula of this is really nice. It's a very hydrating, very kind of moisturising formula. Because it is a gloss, it's not going to be too dry on like a kind of matte finish. Now normally the problem with glosses is usually that they feel kind of sticky and tacky. These ones don't feel sticky or tacky whatsoever. The only thing I do say to do with these is to make sure when you apply, like once you've applied it to your lips, you know, like put your finger in your mouth and do this like that to sort of like remove any excess lip gloss in the inner part. Just because it is a latex formula, it's a little bit thicker than just a sheer gloss. So yeah, that's what I suggest doing when you apply these. However, they're absolutely gorgeous. They look amazing on the lips. They're nice and glossy. Now what I'm going to do is swatch all these on my lips so you can see how each shade Now guys, that's me swatched all of them on my lips and I just love them. I love the shades as well, like they are just absolutely gorgeous. They're also a super lightweight formula as well, you know, they don't feel heavy on the lips, which is good, even though like a lot of latex lips are thicker than glosses of course, but these ones don't feel thick on the lips. They're very lightweight. I love these just as much as the Hollywood lips. I would actually probably say I love these a little bit more just because they are a glossy finish and I just love my glossies. But yeah, they're just lovely. Like the Hollywood lips and these are just as lovely. But yeah, so if you haven't seen the Hollywood lip swatch video that I did, then I'll leave that down below in the description box for you, because that's one of my top videos on my channel, which is surprising because I did that a few years ago, but you guys seem to love it, so I'll leave that down below if you haven't checked it out. But yeah, so that is it for this video guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this little lip swatch. Let me know which one is your favourite down below, and yeah, if you liked the video then give it the big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button just down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.